Here I have Xiaomi Mi 5 and let me show you how to enable the battery saver mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using my home screen. Let me find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and let's choose the battery and performance right here under system and device. Let's choose power, the first option, and as you can see here we've got some statistics about your battery. You can read the battery scale, the battery usage time, the battery temperature, the battery capacity, and you may also turn on the battery saver right here. Let me tap it, and as you can see, monitor background process and turn off the sync battery saver will turn off automatically when the battery is 60 to 100 charger. So let me just read this information and let me switch on the battery saver. You may also check and use the schedule if you wish. If not, let's just use the battery saver, and now you extend the life of your battery. You may go back and start using your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.